Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to ship orders in your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you have not already, and after opening it up successfully, you'll be greeted by this main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account and a store, just go and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started shipping our sales. First things first guys, before you put any products and you to get any orders, you need to set up shipping for your store. So here at the left side screen you can set up your shipping and pickup options. You can see you have shipping for other countries, you have local delivery and self pickup. You can choose any of the preferred options you want to here, and you can add any of them you want. You can add them by yourself or using the premeditated options. But once you have set up your shipping from here, now you'll be able to make orders. So you'll be able to find all the orders of the products that people have ordered from your website right here in the sales channel. So at the top of the screen you can find sales, where you can go ahead and click orders, and guys, all of your orders are going to be appearing right here. So once you have gotten an order, it's going to appear right here, and next to the order is going to be a ship button. So it's going to enable you to complete the order by shipping the product to the person that has bought it. So all of that is going to be manageable from here. Before that, just set up your shipping and you're ready to go, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.